In front of me is ULEFONE Note 7P, and let me show you how to activate installation of apps from unknown sources on the following device. So first of all, you need to reach the settings, then find and select apps and notifications, and here go to special app access. Here you will notice install unknown apps tab, click on it, and now you can smoothly allow installation via some particular source. So for example, if you would like to give this permission to files, just mark it and then allow from the source by selecting the switcher. Then let's open Google Drive as well, and also we can allow installation from the source. So this is it. This is how you can activate the installation of apps from unknown sources. Thank you for watching. Please subscribe our channel and leave the thumbs up.